welcome back to another studio vlog. Today we are starting in my studio bedroom. So I'm gonna try to teach tonight's lesson in here, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna set up my canvas and everything in here and my lighting. I already got some of my paints out and things like that, but we'll see how it goes. I did do the Christmas class in here, which turned out really nice, and it was really, I don't know, it felt very homey and it was really nice. But since my office is in here and it's primarily where I do everything, it takes a lot of extra work to take everything out here and move it into the kitchen and then tear it all down and move it back. So we're gonna try to teach from here and see how that works and see if we can make it better and not have to move all my stuff every other week. And hopefully that'll set me up to maybe teach more often, because then I'll be in our bedroom rather than in the kitchen, and I won't have to worry about matching kids' nap times and things like that, because my husband will be able to take care of them if they're not napping or whatever. So hopefully that'll be better. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get ready for paint night, and if you didn't watch the live stream when it was live, I'll leave the link right here. You can still go watch it. I don't take my classes down, so feel free to watch that whenever you want, and you can paint with us. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in a couple weeks when we have another one. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is what I have so far, but there seems to be a glare from this light that I don't really want to deal with, so I have to figure out lighting so that there's not a glare. And you can see that like right here, there's a glare that's coming from this light over here. This is not what we're painting tonight. I'm just using it because if I would use a normal, you know, you can't really see if there's a glare or not. So, but yeah, so there's a little bit of glare. So I'm gonna try to figure out a different lighting situation so that we can get a better view on it. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is not awful. I don't really like that you can see a lot of that, but I don't know if you can see this. There isn't as much of a glare up here. I have a light like right above it now. So yeah, now I just have to get my camera, my face camera over here, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so it is raining outside, and I think it might be hailing, but I'm doing a test for my mic right now to see if it's picking it up or how much of it's picking up, because it was pretty loud a second ago. So we'll see. I don't know if I can do it in here, if it's gonna be super loud, but I'm gonna be trying out my Blue Yeti mic and see if that's better than my my little pin mic. So we'll see. All right, hello. Class is over, and here's my painting. It looks a little bit different than what I wanted it to look like, but that's okay. Even me as an artist, every time I do something, again, it looks different. I think it's because I didn't make the overall shape of the plant bigger, or I made the first one bigger, so this one's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. But yeah, I got to use my fancy Blue Yeti microphone, so that was sweet, and it worked out perfectly because my audio ended up like cutting out, which was annoying, but that's fine. Yeah, it seemed like people enjoyed it, and it was a lot of fun. But yeah, if you want to go check that one out, I'll leave a link, and if I haven't already, I think I already left one. But yeah, if you want to go check that out, definitely go paint it. If you are watching these and you're not a part of my artist community, make sure to go join the community, post your pictures, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so I am all ready and set up for my Patreon class. So I got my computer set up with my mic. I'm using my Blue Yeti, which I got less than a month ago, and I'm really excited about it. It works really well. And then this is what we are painting. So stay tuned, and I might show you a little bit of the process. Alright, so it is Saturday now. I don't know where the week went, and I normally don't record on Saturdays, but I have a lot of work to catch up on. I don't know what happened to the week. It was like Wednesday, and then all of a sudden it's Saturday, and I'm like, I haven't edited any of this vlog. So this vlog is probably gonna go out sometime next week, but that's okay. So I have to record a Q&A video for my patrons right now. I'm really excited about it. We're gonna be probably talking mostly about different texture mediums. A lot of the questions had to do with that, and then some other questions had to do with what kind of brush bristles are good for acrylic, so I'll be talking about that. So if you're interested in that, that'll go out on the end of January. That would have already gone out, so that's available for all my patrons right now. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I can't really record while I'm doing it because I'm using this camera, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I just finished recording that. I think it went well. I still have to edit it and pop it online for everybody for tomorrow. But yeah, I didn't get done a whole lot this week. I had a couple family things that I had to deal with. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I have to do. There's just been a lot of patron stuff going on. Oh, let me get something that we did last night. So I hit 10 patrons earlier this month, and I told everyone that when I hit 10 patrons, I was going to do a special class just for them, and that's what we did. After some talking, we decided that we were going to do a one-stroke flower class, which I think you saw a little bit of that in the last vlog. So what I did is I essentially did a 15-20 minute, actually it's probably more like 30 minutes, but I did a short sort of class just for the initial technique, because it is something that takes a little bit of practice. So I wanted to give my patrons a little bit of a heads up practice before we got to actually painting something. So we did that about a week ago, and then last night we ended up doing a Zoom class, and I got to meet everybody, and it was so fun. To get to meet some of my patrons and kind of put faces to the names. But this is what we painted. This is what we painted, and I love it. So we did a one-stroke rose, because I think that that is one of the hardest things to learn. We also, in the initial class, I talked about just flowers in general, and I talked about pansies and how to get the different colors and everything like that. We ended up doing roses because I think it's one of the harder ones and harder techniques to learn. So if I'm gonna be here to teach everybody, I want to be here for all the questions that everybody had. So we did this last night, and I'm excited to see everybody's paintings. Because we were on Zoom, I only saw a few of them, and then a lot of the patrons weren't there because they, you know, the time and everything, time zones. So I ended up reposting that. We recorded the live class, and that's up now. So if you want to paint this, and this is a extra class, it's not a part of the every other week Friday tutorial, so you get an extra class for the month of January. And yeah, that's what we painted, and I really love it. It came out super good, so I'm really excited about that, and I just hope that everybody loves being in my Patreon and just being a patron of mine, because I love you guys and I love that you're here. But yeah, that is kind of the update on what's been going on. There's other updates that I can't really share right now, but I'm excited to move forward and into the rest of the week. I don't know what I'm doing next, so it's like the end of the week. I guess I could just end the vlog here. That's okay. That's fine. Is that weird? Is that weird to end the vlog on that note? That's okay. I will end the vlog here, and I'll edit it and get it up as soon as possible. And we'll just start fresh next week. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.